Hey, Peter Retzloff here. Welcome to part 2 of the quintuplet series. In the first video, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to add to that. Our first addition is flams on the accents. Slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Faster. Another addition that we could do is do double stroke rolls in between the accents. So slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Faster. Check out these embellishments. Keep tuning in. We're going to start to use these things. Have a nice day.